For the next 4 days, Meg and I are out here in Shenandoah National Park doing some hiking up to mountain summits, fishing these tiny streams in search of the native brook trout, cooking up some amazing food, and just enjoying our time out here in this national park. So come along and join us. It's going to be a fun one. Well, just got camp all set up. Don't really know what we're doing tonight. Maybe do some fishing, hiking, one of the two. Well, we're gonna walk to the visitor center and hopefully grab a map since we have actually no idea where we are or what's even around here. And then we'll go hiking / fishing. All right, we got our map. Now we know where we're going. There's a river and waterfall just up this way, so we're gonna check that out and maybe try some fishing. It's supposed to be a good river, from what I researched at least. Just got to the waterfall overlook right there. It's actually stunning. I didn't expect it. The creek was super small, but a big waterfall came up, so that was cool. We're gonna keep walking further down the creek, or river, I guess. See if I can find some brookies. Fisher's Gap. Does that mean there's good fishing? That's what I'm going with. It looks about as good as a hole that's gonna get. That wasn't English at all. Gonna give it a go. Nothing yet. Did you get any? Well, just got some word that people saw some fish down there. They didn't get them to bite though, but that's good to know there's actually fish in here.
Joey bass in his natural habitat.
He actually bit it like 3 times. We got him, guys. The native brook trout out here. It's a really small one, but he's absolutely gorgeous looking fish right there. Well, there we go, we did it. We actually caught a brook trout out here. I know they're really small, but that's like just what the size they are in here with such pretty fish. And that's super cool. They're wild, not stocked, so you love to see it. Now this looks like a really good spot. The sun's gonna start going down here shortly, so we're gonna hike back, start cooking some dinner.
But
does anybody know what's going on with that tree right there? I think it's funky looking, but I don't know what caused that thing to do that. Time to cook up some ground beef. Got some quesadillas. I'm so hungry. It's fire though. That's also a fire. Just made some tea here to chill at the fire. I have elderberry enchilada, is what I'm gonna call it. I'm not sure how you say that second word. If anyone knows, let me know.
am I supposed to go?
Yeah, what do you got? Come on.
I'm lemon ginger. The staple. What is it? Can you like describe?
I'm trying to describe, I don't know. This is my first time trying elderberry something, guys. It's like,
Wise and berry.
and honestly, like, it's giving me huckleberry from out west.
You're about to say it's giving campfire smoke.
The fire's giving me that all the time. I don't need any more of it, actually. Morning, everybody. Starting off with some oats and coffee. The wind was absolutely ripping last night. Almost blew my tent over with me in it, but we're up. Starting off the hike here, it's a 9.3 mile loop. Should be some cool views, see what it has to offer. I think we're getting close to the summit. Views are stunning. You're rock climbing over there.
Yeah, for real.
Just go straight down. Oh, wow. It really looks like that rock is defying the laws of physics. Kind of cool though. Well, we're pretty much at the top. I think there's still more trail to go, but the views over here are very nice.
My favorite view.
Ooh, I can like show you guys just like a straight drop down there. Look at that. We made it up here to the summit. Absolutely stunning. I think half our PB&Js went in the bag. It's okay though. It's fire.
Indubitably so.
Oh yeah. Dunking that creek felt so nice. Just a couple more miles though, so we're back to the car. That feeling of putting Crocs on after a hike, it just feels so good. But all done with that hike. Don't really know what else we're gonna do the rest of the day. Maybe fish, do another hike. Probably fish though, I don't really wanna hike anymore. Hiking down to another river over here. I think this one's stocked with brown trout, rainbow trout, and there's apparently smallmouth in here too somewhere. I don't really know what to expect, but there could be a mix of everything. Head out to the little river. We're gonna try to get Meg on a trout now. Although this doesn't look like a river that would hold any of the fish that it had stated online. It just looks like there would be brook trout in here, which that's cool too. Although I do see a hatch of bugs on the surface. So I might switch them to a dry fly. Well, trout fishing didn't really work out, but there's a nice beautiful waterfall here. So that's a win. Got a slight pickle back at camp. My tent rod broke. The wind literally just blew up my tent because it's so windy up here. Well, I'm gonna be moving into Meg's tent tonight. She's gonna be sleeping in the car over there. So problem solved. Cooked up some burgers for dinner here. I'm so hungry, it's gonna be amazing. It's so good. Just got some more tea here to end the night. So tired. Good morning, everybody. Oats and coffee again. That's really the only thing I ever eat in the breakfast camping, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it, okay? Don't judge. The agenda today, we have no idea. Just kind of gonna pick places and go and see where we end up. I was about to go start the first hike and realized I never changed out of my Crocs, but I probably could have done it in Crocs. I mean, Crocs can really do it all. Now we're ready to go. What you laughing at over there?
No, you should have just done it in Crocs.
Made it to the top of the summit here. This is Mary's Rock. Mary has a very nice view from her rock, I will say. Peanut butter and jellies again. You know the deal. Hike number 2, have another rock scramble. That was fun the last time, so looking forward to it. Hopefully it's good. Something like that. Oh. Made it to the top here. It's a 360 view. This should be great for like sunrise or sunset. It's not too far of a hike up either. We came back to the first river that I caught that brook trout at, and we're gonna try this one further. Since we figured there's fish here, we're gonna keep exploring it. There's a lot more bug activity today, so we're gonna switch up to a dry fly. There's probably some sort of hatch. Not sure what it was, but I'm sure any dry fly will work. Ooh, got him, got him. That's sick. Well, as soon as we put that dry fly on, had one instantly blow up on it. So that's a good sign. You'll get them next time.
Yeah, I will.
Well, my line all broke on that tree, and I didn't bring any more leader line. I forgot it, so that's gonna end the fishing journey, unfortunately. I was really excited to explore the rest of this river, but I guess it is what it is. Back at camp, just gonna cook up some dinner before hopefully we do a sunrise hike, but or sunset hike, but it's a little cloudy right now, so we'll see how that goes. Nice. Cooking up some quesadillas though. And you got some extra beef. Gonna make some burgers over there. It's a great night. I'm so hungry. I don't know how well the camera will pick it up. We got a double rainbow right there. That's so cool. At least that makes the rain worth it. Made a nice rainbow for us. You can literally see the entire rainbow. It starts right there and ends right over there. I've never seen that before in my life. It just adds some more carbs, okay? Are you judging my meal? It looks great. We got half a burger because we used all the buns and some quesadillas. Don't worry. But we were out of tortillas, so we can only do 4 of those. It's good, okay?
It really is.
Menu item number 2, quesadillas. Was all we cook burgers and quesadillas? Yes. Because they're good, okay? Well, the rain and clouds have went away. Hiking up to another summit. This is actually the highest point in the park, so it should be a great view for sunset. At least that's the hope. What in the world are trees doing out here in Virginia? How does a tree even grow like that? This is absolutely incredible. Oh my goodness. Another fire and cup of tea. Some would say a fire cup of tea. Anyways, just gonna chill out by the fire again. Catch you guys in the morning where we're gonna do a nice sunrise hike. So that would make sense why I took this off earlier. And it got cold over there. Made it back here up to the top of the mountain. Sunrise should be just up there shortly. It's gonna be a nice one. One last oats and coffee before we hit the road back to Michigan. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And as always, folks, fish with passion.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know.